Hi, this is Mr. Kindler, and we're doing grade 8 algebra. We're on week 6, and we're going to start day 1. We're going to start with the spiral review. So this week's spiral review is doing the area of rectangles using the algebraic expressions. So for this one, you can see we have a length and a width that we're going to multiply together. So we're going to multiply a length of 5x by the width of 5x minus 4. So in this case, it's just straight up distributive property. So we're going to go 5x times 5x, which would be 25x squared, and then 5x times negative 4, which would be negative 20x. And that would be the area of this first rectangle. Hi, this is Mr. Kindler again, and this time we're doing grade 8 algebra, week 6, lesson 1. This week we're going to work on factoring special cases, and with day 1 we're going to focus on perfect square trinomials that have a coefficient, a leading coefficient, which means the a number, as 1. You can see a definition up there, perfect square trinomial. It really, what it means is the first and last numbers, the a and c numbers, are both perfect squares. Okay, you can square root them, they'll come out as whole numbers. And then the middle term, the b term, if you half it and then square it, it should equal the c number. Okay, and if that works, the special case will work here. And it's actually really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to take the square root of the a number and then square root the c number, and then whatever symbol is right behind the a number, we're just going to drop it down. So square root of 1, find us the square root of 49. So square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 40, or I'm sorry, it should be 1b. It's not a 1, it's a b. And then square root of v squared is v, and the square root of 49 is 7. And all we're going to do to finish it is we're going to put that in parentheses and square it. And the reason that this is going to work, just so you can kind of see it, is if we take that number, v minus 7, or the expression, and square it, times it by itself, and you FOIL it, you're going to get that original number. I can kind of see it really quick here just to prove it works. Oops. I am hurrying too fast and making mistakes, but it's okay. So there you go. Hopefully you can see it now. Okay. So what I want you to do, I'm going to pause or let you pause the video and try number 2, and then we'll go over it together and see how you did. All right, let's see how you did. So we're going to take the square root of the a term, and then plus, because there's a plus there, and the square root of the c term. And so the square root of h squared is h, square root of 16 is 4, and we just put those in parentheses and square it. That should have been your answer. Hopefully you got it right. All right, and then last one, go ahead and pause your video, and I will come back with the answer and see if you got it right. All right, let's just check and make sure you had the right answer. Hopefully you did. So d squared minus 20d plus 100, if we factor that, you should have gotten d minus 10 in parentheses squared.